10 years ago, me and my wife bought an old house with 3.5 hectares of land and a dream to have a place called our home. Slowly renovating the house and working in the garden, we have dipped our toes in the world of homesteading and DIY. With a few lessons learned and many more to come, we feel this is the time to put more effort into making this really our getaway homestead. And we would like to invite you to be a part of our journey. Welcome to the Getaway Homestead. So I think today we start by doing some masonry. We have to lay some bricks because we really need to finish this building. That's going to be our main headquarters for all the operations around here. Yeah, I definitely don't want to do any of the cleanup things right now, so let's do this one. Alright, so as you can see here I have these clay bricks and well, they are not solid. They have these holes in them, so they are quite efficient when it comes to heating the house and retaining the warmth. So as for the procedure that I'm doing here, to the best of my knowledge, is first you water the bricks, then you put the mortar. I'm using the cement mortar because this is not gonna be a living space. It's gonna be a workshop and storage and stuff like that, so I don't need the best of the best, and the walls are really thick, almost half meter, so I'm just using cement. But what I was saying, you need to water the bricks so that the mortar sticks to them better, because if the bricks are really dry and dusty, then the mortar doesn't stick. I read that you don't need to cover all of the area with the mortar. You can do like 2 lines. I put it basically around the all 4 sides of the brick. I don't know if it's better or worse, but that's just what I do. Also, I think this is a perfect moment for me to mention that I am not an expert at this at all. I have a degree in arts, not construction or engineering, so I'm just a guy learning as I go. So once the mortar is in, I take the brick and slide it in, and you see bricks have these teeth on their side, so they really have to stick together like this. and that way you don't need to put any mortar on the vertical seams. So once the brick is in, you have to level it. I have a string here for a straight edge, and then you just hammer it down in place and make sure it's also level on this plane. 7th layer of bricks is done on this side. Quite a big thunderstorm. Did you hear it? I don't know if it's passing by or coming this way. But so far this has been the name of the game. Either scorching sun or rain. I guess I like both. Thunder gives a little time to rest and soaks the bricks. Quite rumbly. I guess I should pack now and continue later. All right, the rain's over. Let's get back to work. So that's the last brick on this side, on the 7th layer of the bricks. 4 more to go. Alright, that's gonna be enough bricks for me today. Oh, look at that. Oh, so good. It's like this counting game. How many bricks did I get in? How many more layers to go? Yeah, I guess those who have done something like that will understand. But yeah, well, I think that's a wrap for this episode. I'm very happy to invite you along on this journey. I hope you enjoy your time here. It was a pleasure to have you here on our getaway homestead. Bye.